So, Flux AI is here, and it is known to be the best AI image generator right now, and it is considered as far better than any other image generating platform or tools right now, because it can generate images with a simple prompt, and it generate photorealistic images and text inside of images too. And the best part is, you can use this for free by watching this video. According to the Black Forest official release page, you can find photorealistic images that are generated with Flux AI on their site, and they offer the service in 3 distinct variants, like Flux Pro, Flux Dev, and Flux Schnell, but you can use them only for personal use only. The first way of using Flux AI for free is by cart.ai. After you have created your account on cart, you can click on this Flux Text to Image. Once you are here, you can provide the prompt in this section and select the width and height of the images, and the settings are limited in here. Once you have provided the prompt, you can generate the images by clicking on Generate. And I got a result like this, which is looking far better than I thought. And you can download it from here. So let's generate another image and see what will happen. This was the final result. So what do you think about this platform, about the images it generates? Leave a comment for that. And the second way to generate images with Flux is by Glyph. Once you come to this site, you should create an account first. For that, click on here and create an account. After you have created an account, click on this Build. And once you come here, click on this plus icon. And from here select Image Generator. And you will come to an interface like this. And here also we have limited settings to customize. From this drop down, select Flux Pro or any Flux option. And provide you prompt in this section. And click on this Run this glyph. And this was my final result. What do you think about this image? Let me know in the comments. And I will generate some images to show you all, with different prompts and Flux options. And the last on my list is from Hugging Face, and all the links related are on the description. Here you will find both the models of Flux. You can try them both if you like. I will select Flux Dev option. Once you come to here, you can adjust the settings as you wish, and enter the prompt to this section, and generate your image like this. And this was the final result it gave. What do you think about this image? Let me know in the comments. So that's all from this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit on the like button, and share this video. Till then, good luck.